Xerox PrimeLink C9065 and C9070. How to use Repeat Image. Repeat Image allows you to repeat the same image multiple times on a page. This application is perfect for printing multiple wallet-sized photos on one sheet. From Services Home, select Copy. In the Copy screen, go to Output Format, then select Page Layout. Select Repeat Image. Choose the number of times you would like the image to be printed on the sheet and the layout. Select Save. Your image will be automatically rotated when you select 2, 4, or 8 times. The printer places the image onto the paper the way it thinks is best. If you do not want the image rotated, select Variable Repeat. Input the number of rows and the number of columns. Also, Repeat Image will not automatically scale your image to fit on the sheet. If you don't want your image to be cropped, return to the Copy tab and adjust the scale from there.